Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find news about cars in the Carlist.my app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Carlist.my app. On the bottom you can see this menu bar, explore news, inbox, profile. Tap on the news and here you can see the latest news, and on the top you can scroll to the right and you can search by for example reviews about cars or buying guide news. You can see videos if you would like to, auto news, and if you would like to search for a specific subject, let's say that BMW, I would like to know about this brand, and here you can see the latest uploads. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.